Hello students, our today's topic is sound. So let us we start the topic. Word sound. What is sound? A kind of sensation received by our ears and perceived by our brain. Sound is produced by vibrating objects. Now there are some other kinds of sound that called the musical sound. The sound which produce a pleasing effect on the ear is called the musical sound. Other is noise. The sound which produce a jarring or unpleasant effect is called noise, which is harmful. Now, types of sound. Number one is audible sound. The audible sound vibration, whose frequency lies between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, is called the audible sound. Number next is inaudible sound. The sounds having frequency above 20,000 Hz and below 20 Hz cannot be heard by the normal human ear. That we call as inaudible sound. In human being, the vibration of the vocal cords produce sound. Sound travel through a medium, gas, liquid or solid. It cannot travel in vacuum. The eardrum senses the vibration of sound. It sends the signal the signal to the brain. This process is called hearing. The number of oscillation or vibration per second is called the frequency of oscillation. The frequency is expressed in hertz. Larger the amplitude of vibration, louder is the sound. Higher the frequency of vibration, the higher is the pitch, and the threshold is the sound. Unpleasant sounds are called noise. Excessive or unwanted sound leads to noise pollution. Noise pollution may pose health problems for the human being. Attempts should be made to minimize noise pollution. Plantation on the roadsides and elsewhere can reproduce noise pollution. Amplitude. The maximum distance of a vibrating or swing object from its position of rest. Now, the time period. One complete to end fro movement of the pendulum around its mean position is called one oscillation. The time taken by the vibrating particle to complete one oscillation is called time period. Frequency. The number of the vibrations or oscillations made by vibrating body in a second. The unit of frequency is hertz. Characteristic of sound. Loudness, pitch, quality. Loudness, the sensation produced in the ear which enable us to distinguish between a loud and a faint sound. Larger the amplitude of vibration, the louder is the sound produced. Pitch. The characteristics of the sound which distinguishes between a shrill sound and a soft sound. Higher the frequency of the vibration, higher is the pitch. The last is quality. Characteristics which enable us to distinguish between musical notes emitted by the different musical instrument or voices even though by have the same pitch and loudness. So it is enough for today. This was the topic of sound which we have discussed here. So tomorrow we shall do the exercise regarding this topic. Thanks.